In this video, I'll teach you all about the amazing and compact traditional Japanese barbecue, the Shichirin. Cooking on a Shichirin is easy, but we need some equipment, so it's off to the home center. Good day! I'm at the Gooday Higashi Fukuoka store to pick up everything I need for a Japanese barbecue. In the leisure section of Gooday home centers, they got all kinds of camping goods, barbecue stuff, and outdoor goods. And this is the main reason why I came here today, the Shichirin, traditional Japanese ceramic barbecues. And they got a variety of them, these classic round ones, and starting at only 1,180 yen. This will do fine, not a problem. But the one I recommend is over here, the rectangular ones, and I'll explain why later. The next important decision is how are you going to fuel the grill? Charcoal here, charcoal there, but they have my very favorite here, the one I recommend, binchotan. It burns longer and hotter at an even rate. So I'm gonna get this. Okay, I've got all the big stuff. Time to pick up some accessories. I was just gonna do yakitori, but I think I'm gonna do some Kakigori as well too. Japanese summer. One of the secrets to making yakitori is to use these stainless steel bars on top of the grill to raise up the skewers. But you know what? I gotta get this cut. Konnichiwa. すいません、これはカットいただけますか？はい、はい。何センチにお切りしましょうか？ちょうど半分がいいです。あ、わかりました。ですか？お願いします。Wow, that was done just in a couple minutes and for just 50 yen. That's great. All right, time to go. Hi everyone.
Hi.
In this episode of Home Center Secrets, we're going to teach you everything you need to know about how to barbecue Japanese style using the Shichirin.
Not Canadian style.
Not Canadian style. Just got this today at Gooday. So Shichirin, you know what they are. They come in different shapes, different sizes.
丸いよね、普通に。
Usually they're round, but I like this one, the rectangular one. It has the same ceramic double wall construction, but as you see, it's got two compartments, so it's easy to balance the amount of coal you put in and therefore the temperature.
使いやすい。
It also has air vents in the front, and it comes with a grill. So you put this grill on top here, and yeah, you can start cooking. But if you want to grill yakitori like the pros,
What is this?
stainless steel rods.
これ専用のもの？
No. I went to Gooday. This was 1 meter long piece, and I had them cut it perfectly for the Shichirin. So we have our two rails like this, and you put it on top of the grill, and then you can easily spin the skewers.
本当だ、プロみたいにできる。
Also, very special,
備長炭。
binchotan. Okay, this is sometimes known as white charcoal because
なん
it
か素敵な
burns.
名前ね。
Nah, white charcoal. This is the premium charcoal. This is also what they use at professional yakitori shops. It comes in a box like this. It's natural wood. And listen to it. Has almost a metallic, almost sounds like glass. It's super hard. And the advantage of using binchotan is that it burns really hot It lasts a long time and there's no ashes. For yakitori, why? It also improves the taste because it burns so hot. The chicken fat drips down and creates like a white smoke. And that smoke is what gives that smoky flavor. And it's one of the secrets of making good yakitori. Binchotan can be a little bit difficult to start.
硬いからね。
So. It takes extra power to start. And so you might want to get one of these. This is a really clever device. It's a 3-in-1 device here. One big piece like this. This is the stand here. And this is a lid.
蓋が。
Futa ne, lid. But this lid becomes a base. And on this base you can put the starter material. And then this inner chamber. This is called the chimney.
ストーブになってる。
Yeah, it's like a stove. And this is where you put your charcoal or your binchotan. Put it in here on top of the starter. Light it. And it makes it a lot easier to get the charcoal. You want to get it white. Those are the big items, but I also got a lot of accessories too.
なんかいっぱい買ってきたね。
買ったね。じゃん。This is a fireproof mat, which is a really good idea to have if you're doing your barbecue on a deck or someplace where you don't want a fire to start. Also, it catches the oil and so forth. So that feels good.
What is this?
This is a blower, an air blower, and you use this to blow air on the shichirin, right, and get the fire going even more. This is a handy tool to have too. We have some tongs. We got 2 tongs. These tongs are for use of grilling the food, and these tongs are for the charcoal. So we want to keep them separate. We got 2 tongs. This is the starter material, and I like this. It's kind of it's a dry, hard material, easy to use.
コンパクトやね。
Making the barbecue and getting it going is just half the story. If you want to make yakitori, you're going to need some other items. You might already have them, but a salt shaker. We found that in the kitchen section. And this sprayer, I'm going to use this when I do the grilling of the yakitori, and I'll tell you more about it later. And then we have, this is, nani?
ネタボックス、ネタ箱。
ネタ箱ですか? So when we make the skewers, and we want to keep them in the fridge just before we take them out, these handy aluminum-based containers are really useful. We have those, and for yakitori, of course, you're going to need some bamboo skewers, and these ones are perfectly good. Also for the tare, the sauce, you got a sauce brush. We have that. But wait, one more surprise. Boom! Look at this, look what I found. It's a Kakigori machine, shaved ice machine. And it's done in this retro style, right?
これも買いましたか。
ね. And it really works. No batteries, no electricity. We can make shaved ice anywhere.
じゃあほら。Appetizer?
For appetizers, we can make maybe a frozen daiquiri. Hey Miko, we got this brand new Kakigori machine. Nice. Let's make something. We need the ice, which we have prepared. You just pop off the top. This in like that. This is really well designed. Fruit jelly.
Yes, 開けてください。
All right, open it. I know what you're doing.
ちょっとね、凍らせてます。
So she's lightly frozen the jelly. It's also icy, icy cool. Now you're going to top it with more shaved ice. Special topping, some sparkling wine. Let's open that up. Woo. That sounds good. And it's not that easy. It's not that easy.
こぼれたじゃん。
That's all right. That's all right.
まだ入れたいから待ってよ。 もうそれいいよ。
Yeah, moto nomitai. Why not? The more sparkling wine in, the better, I think.
はい、こっちこっち。
Okay, a little bit more here.
乾杯。
Bye. Cheers. Yum. That's good. Not too sweet. And alcohol. Anyways, it's gonna be a great summer. We've got yakitori on the shichirin, and we have shaved ice as well too.
Nice.
I'm getting hungry too.
Can't wait.
Can't wait. Let's go barbecue. All right, we're ready to go. We've got everything prepared. We have the shichirin with the coals in it, the binchotan going. On this side here, I have all my food, neta, desho, all in these little boxes here. Our skewers are prepared. We got veggies here, and I have my meat skewers over here. We have fish, onigiri, and corn. And on this side here, I've got, this is my special tare, homemade tare, that's a dipping sauce, shoyu, and some condiments here. Plum and wasabi, yuzu kosho, and very important is my salt shaker, and my sake spray. So, we're ready to grill now. Salt on both sides, a little spray of sake, and that's butabara. We got some nice white smoke coming up. That's the fat dripping down onto the red hot binchotan. And coming back up is a very flavorful. And about the sake spray, two purposes. One, well, it keeps the chicken moist. And the other is, well, there's some sugar in it, and when it gets really hot from the coals, it caramelizes and adds some umami flavor to the chicken, I find. I like it very much. I'll show you the way that I like to enjoy butabara, and that's with a little bit of shichimin. Ooh, that's quite a bit. But this is going to be good. Oh. Saiko. Ah, it's so good. I really recommend these bamboo skewers with the flat side because they don't, they're easier to control on rolling. Look, the shichirin is compact, and so you're really focused on, you know, working your skewers or the small amount of space that you have. So, you know, it's not like an American style barbecue, big rack of ribs or something like that, big steaks. And that's kind of what I like about it, is like you're really concentrated on getting things grilled just right. And the time that it takes is also enjoyable. See, with the shichirin, you get such precise control. This is aji. So with this fish, you only grill the one side. But for yaki onigiri, you want to pack them a bit harder so they don't stick to the grill. The next step is to baste them with soy sauce. All right. How's the other side? Oh, and we've got everything here. We got our veggies, our meat, and our fish. Everything, but something's missing. Someone's missing. Emiko! Yakitori!